What is your current maths level? Let's find out. I'll ask you 30 questions. Keep track of how many you get right, and at the end of this video, you'll know your maths in English CEFR level. You'll see 3 choices. Choose the one that you think is correct. Ready? Now let's start with the beginner level. Tom has 2 apples. He buys 3 more apples. How many apples does Tom have? Tom has 5 apples. Okay, let's look how he works that out. 2 apples plus 3 apples equals 5 apples. You have 10 pencils. You give 4 pencils to your friend. How many pencils do you have left? The answer is 6 pencils. 10 pencils minus 4 pencils equals 6 pencils. There are 8 dogs. 3 dogs run away. How many dogs are left? The answer is 5 dogs. 8 dogs minus 3 dogs is 5 dogs left. What is 7 plus 2? The answer is 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. What number comes after 10? The answer is 11. 9, 10, 11. A train leaves at 9 o'clock. It takes 2 hours. What time does the train arrive? The train arrives at 11 o'clock. 9 o'clock plus 2 hours equals 11 o'clock. A sandwich costs $5. You give $10. How much change do you get? The answer is $5. $10 minus $5 for the sandwich equals $5 change. You have 20 candies. You give them to your 4 friends equally. How many candies does each friend get? The answer is 5 candies. You have 20 candies and each of your friends gets 5 candies each. You have 20 candies. You give them to your 4 friends equally. How many candies does each friend get? The answer is 5 candies. You have $1. You buy a candy for 60 cents. How much money do you have left? You have 40 cents left. $1 is 100 cents. So 100 cents minus 60 cents equals 40 cents left. Well done. You've now completed the beginner level of this test. Did you get 6 or more correct? If you did, then you're likely to be in an A1 level. If you got 9 or more, then you're more likely to be at the A2 CEFR level for your math skills. Are you ready to try the intermediate level? Then let's go. A pizza costs $12. You get 25% off. How much does the pizza cost? The answer is $9. 25% of 12 is 3. $12 minus $3 equals $9. Which is bigger, 50% of 12 or 12% of 50? The answer is they are the same. 50% of 12 is 6 and 12% of 50 is also 6. Sarah buys 3 notebooks for $2 each. How much does she spend? Sarah spends $6. Each notebook is $2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals $6. There are 40 students. 25% are boys. How many boys? The answer is 10. 25% of 40 equals 10 boys. A shirt costs $20. You buy 3 shirts. How much do you spend? You spend $60. $20 plus $20 plus $20 equals $60. There are 30 students. 1/3 are boys. How many boys? The answer is 10. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. A book costs $8. A pen costs $2 less. How much does the pen cost? The pen costs $6. $8 minus $2 equals $6. A rectangle is 5 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters long. What is the area of the rectangle? The answer is 50 centimeters squared. 5 centimeters times 10 centimeters equals 50 centimeters squared. The mean of 10 and 20 is... The answer is 15. When you calculate the mean, you need to add all the numbers together and then divide by how many numbers. In this question, there are 2 numbers, 20 and 10. When you add 20 and 10 together, you get 30. Divided by 2 equals 15. Double 6 and add 4. The answer is 16. 6 times 2 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. Well done, you've now completed the intermediate section of this video. If you got 6 or more correct, then you're likely to be at a B1 CEFR level for your math skills. If you got 9 or more, then you're at the top of the B grade at B2 level. Well done. Now let's start with the advanced section of the test. Some of these questions will test your ability, but don't worry, try your best. The sum of 2 numbers is 30. One number is twice the other. What are the 2 numbers? The answer is 10 and 20. 10 plus 20 equals 30, and 20 is twice that of 10. If you divide a number by 3 and add 4, the result is 10. What is the number? The answer is 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. A number is increased by 20% and then decreased by another 20%. Does it stay the same, get bigger, or get smaller? The answer is it gets smaller. Let's start with 100. 100 plus 20% equals 120. If you then minus 20%, which is 24, it becomes 96. So 96 is smaller than 100. If 5x equals 40, what is x? The answer is 8. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. If 3a plus 2 equals 11, what is a? A equals 3. 3a plus 2 equals 11. So let's minus 2 from both sides of the equation. So 3a equals 9. Then divide 9 and 3a both by 3. A equals 3. You're planning a business trip. The train takes 3 hours and costs $45. A flight takes 1 hour and costs $120. If your company values your time at $25 an hour, which option is more economical overall? The answer is the train. If you take the train, it costs $45, plus 3 hours travel time, which is $75, which equals a total of $120. If you take the plane, it costs $120, plus $25 for the 1 hour travel time, which is a total of $145. So even though it's slower, the train is better value overall. You and 3 friends go for dinner. The total bill, including service charge, is $96. You agree to split the bill equally, but one of your friends only has a drink that costs $6. How much should your friend pay? The answer is $6. If each friend paid equally, the total would be $24. But that's not fair to the friend that only had a $6 drink. So therefore, because you're friends, your friend only pays $6 and everybody else pays $30. At a company, employees receive a yearly bonus of 8% of their salary. Maria earns $45,000 in a year. She also gets a one-time $2,000 performance award. How much does Maria earn in the year? The answer is $50,600. 8% of $45,000 is $3,600, plus the $2,000 performance bonus award equals a total of $50,600 for the year. A mobile phone plan costs $25 with 10 gigabytes of data. Each extra gigabyte costs $3 more. If you use 16 gigabytes in 1 month, how much will you pay? The answer, $43. You used 6 more gigabytes than your plan allowed. This means that you have to pay 3 times 6, which is $18 more. 25 plus $18 equals $43. Meeting was scheduled for 2:15 p.m. but started 20 minutes late. The meeting lasted for 1 hour and 45 minutes. What time did the meeting end? The meeting ended at 4:20. 2:15 plus 20 minutes means the meeting started at 2:35. The meeting lasted for 1 hour and 45 minutes, which means that the meeting ended at 4:20 p.m. Well done! You've now completed the advanced section of this video. If you scored 6 or more in this section, then you're likely to be at a C1 level for your math skills in English. If you scored 9 or more, then you're near the native level at C2 CEFR level for your math skills. Well done. If you're not quite there yet, don't worry. It can take years to get to that level. I'm Simon, and thank you for testing your CEFR